Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well. New Year's Eve is nearly here. Can you believe 2018 is nearly over? I literally cannot. It's crazy to think that like 6 months ago I got married. Like, it's just gone so quickly. It's mental. Like, I actually cannot like deal with this in my head. I swear the years just go so fast now. It's crazy. Anyway, New Year's Eve is nearly here. We're probably all thinking about what we're gonna wear, what makeup we're gonna do, our hair, our outfits, the whole shebang. And to be honest, if you're like me, you're gonna wanna sparkle a lot on New Year's Eve. It's like the one night I feel like you can just go all out. Well, as well as festivals, but I feel like New Year's Eve is one night you can go all out wherever you are. It doesn't matter. So, I've created this makeup look and I'm going to be showing you how you can do it in this video. I have attempted a glitter cut crease. Now, I've never done one this style before. I've kind of done like a half one and then blended it into like a shadow on the end, but I've never ever attempted this. I'm really pleased. I feel like I'm getting a lot better at makeup. The more I learn, the more I do it. Yeah, so please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. Let's get going. that is it, guys. What did you think of this makeup look? I really hope you enjoyed it. I was inspired by @LenaBugs on Instagram for the little star and gems under the eyes. I've always done a star, but I've never put a gem in the middle, so I took inspiration from her for that. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. I'll pop links below to this dress. It's a really cute plain black LBD lace dress at the top. So there's lace here and then the rest is like a silky kind of fabric. So bodycon, it's really figure hugging. I love it. I'll put a link below. It's from Motel Rocks. This necklace I think I got from Claire's. It's a little bit old, but if you check in their store, they've got loads of really fab diamante jewellery, and these earrings are from No Basic Bombshell. I'm literally in love. Oh, and this clip, which is super fab, is from Crown and Glory. So I've gone all out with the accessories to finish off this makeup look for you. Really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All the links are below for you to shop this entire look, and I will see you guys in my next video here soon. Also, if you want some outfit inspo for New Year's Eve, I've popped a link below to a New Year's Eve lookbook.